Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions video of the Amazon Fire HD8 2020 model. So this is the all-new Fire HD8 released in 2020. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Okay then, so I'm quite excited. My Fire HD8, the new one, has just arrived from Amazon. Whilst I was at it, I also ordered a 64GB memory card to put in it and expand the storage for carrying around music, videos and other content. Now, I'm a big fan of the Amazon HD8 as well as the Amazon Fire 7 tablets. I already have the 2018 model. I'm really happy with that. But the Fire HD8 came along and it has a lot of new features which make it even more attractive. Right, let's start unboxing the product. The Amazon Fire HD8 has new packaging. It's a square box rather than a milk carton one. And you don't need scissors to open the packaging because it's easy to open. Accessibility here is really good. So you just pull the strip and it opens up. And the packaging on the inside is very efficient. The tablet itself is held in cardboard, and on the inside there's a holder with all the details. Now from the packaging you can see that I got the 32GB blue model. This is one with special offers, and it's the basic model. Now the bottom of the box has the Amazon Smile there. Let's have a look at what's inside the Smile. So there's an Amazon charger, very compact home charger from Amazon. It's a 5-watt charger. That means it's 5 volts at 1 amp. So very basic charger. It will be relatively slow charging. But then again, most people do charge their tablets like these overnight. There is a welcome card to the Fire HD8. It's a very simple card with lots of illustrations, easy to understand, and in multiple languages. There's another card saying welcome and how to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Enter your passwords, use Amazon Alexa, which is now built into the Fire tablets, even the older ones. There's an extra important information card that we'll probably never read, and the cable itself. And this is one of the most new things about the all-new Fire HD8. It is USB Type-A that goes into your standard USB charger to USB Type-C. Yes, the new Amazon Fire HD tablet has Type-C charging. So if you're out and about or traveling and you have a modern Android smartphone, you will not need to use a separate tablet. Now, plastic packaging around the tablet itself has a few warnings on the plastic itself. And here we have the Amazon Fire HD8. This is the 2020 model. So I have gone for the blue option. Technically it's called Twilight Blue. This is different from the teal blue on the Amazon Fire 7 tablet. And you can see the camera's up in one corner. On the other side you have the slightly new layout screen with even bezels around all sides and the selfie camera up there. At the top you'll see there's the USB Type-C charging cable port. There's the Courage port, that's the 3.5mm audio jack. Power on, volume up and down buttons, all on the one side. So I'm going to turn this on. There's stereo speakers at the top here. So when you're watching movies you will get stereo sound, which is really quite important. And let's turn it on and see what the first experience setup is like, and more importantly what that lovely screen is like. So first option is details about language. I'm going to choose English United Kingdom, and I am definitely in the UK. So I'm going to connect to Wi-Fi, and it's already done it because I opted, when ordering this tablet through my Amazon Prime account, I opted to have my settings already preset by Amazon. Bear with me, I'm going to register this Fire. So there we are, it just needed my email and Amazon password. I'm not going to be restoring a tablet. Do not restore, I want to set this up as a new one. I'm going to trust, in this case, Amazon and the apps from the Amazon App Store with my location, the option to save my photos and videos, and save my Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. And that's how my device just logs in.
Movies and reading books to asking Alexa for the weather. There are many ways to enjoy your new Fire tablet.
This is just a
Try asking
walkthrough.
Alexa to play music, make calls, check the news or your commute, and more. Just say, Alexa, to get your tablet's attention. Alexa, what's the weather?
So this is a
London, you can expect lots of clouds.
Amazon commercial for Alexa. I'm going to enable Alexa, I find that quite useful, and I have it in most rooms of the house, either through tablets or through the Amazon Echo devices. This is not a child-friendly device. I'm going to be using it with all this. I don't want to try Kindle Unlimited, though that is a good option if you have a Prime account. And great, lots of content already available through Prime. I'm going to leave that for now. And it's going to suggest popular apps and services, so definitely going to install my preferred VPN service at the moment, Skype. I will add IMDb, Netflix. I think that's all for now, but we'll find more in a moment. And there we have it. So it was a really fast setup. Obviously this is faster than normal because I already have an Amazon account. I already have set myself up to use Amazon services. But overall, pretty frictionless apart for having to confirm my email and password. Now this is going to go through a few updates, but first impressions are really solid, nice to feel in the hand device. It is different from the previous version in terms of its shape and its feel and the corners at the edges. This is something we'll do a full comparison of the old Fire HD8 or the 2018 model, comparing it to the 2020 model. But overall, good screen visibility. I am in a bright light room and it looks good. The screen is responsive. When typing on it, there's no haptic feedback, but it is very responsive and the Amazon keyboard is really good. Let's see what other settings we have here. So we've got Wi-Fi on. There's Bluetooth, so you can connect the Fire HD8 to Bluetooth speakers as well as using the Courage port here. We have not only one audio unboxing and reviews on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, but other ones as well, such as Urbanista, you might want to check out. These should all work quite seamlessly with the Amazon Fire HD8. So this is a slightly different interface from previous versions of Fire tablets. It's definitely cleaner, less colourful maybe. And then the home screen, everything you'd expect on a tablet. So let's see if my Audible pulled over. This is a really big thing. Yes, my Audible audiobooks are all here. And Amazon Music, yes, it's got my Taylor Swift, it's got Katy Perry and Celine Dion, all good. So yeah, great media consumption device, great web browser here. I personally use Amazon Fire tablets when traveling and at home, so I'm happy with this experience so far. I will be adding my memory card at a later date. We'll do a separate video on how to do that on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. You'll get all the latest content we have, not only on the Amazon Fire HD8, but other devices as well. Devices that make the travel experience better. But for now, thank you for watching this unboxing and first impressions of the Fire HD8. Goodbye.